Booth, a major staffing agency, wanted to scale the recruiting without adding headcount. 250 open roles and thousands of resumes a month. They figured that they needed faster screening. The speed was only part of what they needed. We found something that they didn't see. Every recruiter was interpreting qualified differently. Same job descriptions, but different screening outcomes. Different shortlists depending on the recruiter. The real gap wasn't speed. It was consistency. So here's how they use Beam to automate their screening process. Step 1, they connected the ATS using a trigger so that each time a new CV lands, the agent starts processing the candidate. Step 2, the agent gathers not just the candidate CV, but enriches it with other information as well. Their LinkedIn, their personal websites, their GitHub portfolios, their Dribbble portfolios, all so that we can gather a holistic understanding of the candidate. Step 3, it fetches the job-specific evaluation criteria, the must-haves, nice-to-haves, and the other factors. Step 4, it evaluates the candidate using the information that we know about them in context of the job requirement. Step 5, it posts the analysis in the ATS, high-level criteria whether this candidate should be recommended for the next round or not, but also a detailed analysis of why and why not. Now here's where most people stop. They get the agents running, hit maybe 40% accuracy, and despite weeks of iteration, the agents simply fail to get human-like results. They figured out agents are simply not there yet. No wonder MIT's latest study showed that 90% of all AI pilots have not made it into production. This is where Beam's agentic learning changes everything. The agent gets something wrong, you give it feedback. The AI analyzes and uncovers the root cause. It then automatically rewrites its own prompt with clear instructions. We call it the Agent Learning Hub. What used to take 5 beats of manual iteration now takes hours, and it never stops improving. The results: over 9,500 screenings in 10 weeks, 70% faster screening time, and 97.8% successful evaluations. When you solve the right problem, scaling takes care of itself. Reach out to us. We'll help you solve recruiting.